time now for the gal, I'm up in the place.
Amour Gang, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shay Amour, and I am back with a new wig install. This unit I got from Amazon Prime under $100. So if you guys are interested to learn more about this 13x6 lace frontal wig that comes pre-plucked as well as slightly bleached, and you really do not have to do any type of customization, then definitely keep watching this video. The unit that I will be installing today is from Amazon Prime. It is from the hair company Amour Wigs. I have their 13x6 deep part 12-inch short bob unit. This unit comes in the color 1B natural black. Like I stated before, you do get a full 6-inch parting. The hairline on this unit already comes pre-plucked, and the knots on the unit come slightly bleached in the front of the unit. Before I go ahead and install the unit onto my head, I wanted to show you guys exactly how the unit looks straight out of the box. I wanted to show you that the hairline is already pre-plucked, so if you are not an expert at plucking or tweezing the hairline, this unit definitely is just for you. Also, like I stated before, this unit already comes with slightly bleached knots. The very front of the hairline is already bleached. The knots are already bleached, and then on the 6-inch parting, I think they bleached maybe about 1 inch of the parting, but the rest of the parting is not bleached. But what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to go ahead and prep my unit for install. I did not go in and bleach the knots any further on this unit, and I did not go in with my tweezers and tweeze the front hairline. I really wanted to show you guys that you can wear this unit without having to go in and customize it. This unit is definitely a very good unit if you just want to do like slight maintenance and then install the unit onto your head. So basically what I'm doing is taking a water bottle that is only filled with water, because I did notice at the front, the lace front on one side, the right side is a little bit bulkier than the left side. They installed more hair on the right side than the left side. So what I wanted to do is just kind of lay the front down a little bit more, and the only product that I did use, like I said, is water. And then I did go in with some foaming mousse or foaming lotion to lay the lace front down even further.
Yeah, it says come through, get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life.
Another thing that I did to lay the lace front down is I did go in with my curling wand on about a 410 heat setting, just to lay it down even further, because I wanted it to look very flat. And the last thing that I did was apply a scarf just to let the wig unit set.
I don't know. You do what you have to. I know that it's hard on the low. Bounce around, 2 different jobs.
The last thing that I did to prep my unit before install is I did go in and straighten the hair a little bit more with my flat iron. The flat iron that I am using is by Babyliss Pro. It is their titanium flat iron. And I'm just pretty much straightening the hair. The hair takes very well to heat. I had no issues with it. The heat setting that I use is about 410, and it straightened the hair so good. This hair is very flowy, very silky, but you can get away with it looking like a fresh relaxer. That's how much the hair on this unit looks so realistic. Now that it's time for the install, I really didn't do too much to install this unit because, like I stated before, this unit is very low maintenance. I did install the unit onto my head. The next step that I did was apply a little bit of Got2b gel to the front hairline just to make the lace lay flat onto my head. And then the last steps that I did was I went in with some face powder just to define the parting, as well as hide the front lace on this unit. And the very last step that I did was I did go in with some edge booster pomade just to pull out a few edges or baby hairs, you can say, to the front hairline. And that was about it, you guys. I am in love with this unit. This unit is so natural looking, it does not make any type of sense. But like I stated before, the pricing is very affordable. You can get it from Amazon. If you have an Amazon Prime, if you're an Amazon Prime member, the unit is, like I said, under $100. So you will only be spending about $90 to $98 on this unit with free shipping. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I will give you all the information down below. I will give you the direct link to the unit. So if you wanted to order it off of Amazon, you definitely can. Kudos to Wigs. This unit is bomb.com. Also, you guys, there is no smell or odor to this unit. Also, I did not experience any type of tangling or shedding with this unit. This is a very good unit if you want to go ahead and wear it for the summer. Have a very nice short bob summer look. But yeah, you guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to come really quick with this wig install. I hope you liked it. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. If you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe so you can stay up to date on all my videos. And if you are not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me on Instagram. And as always, you guys, I will see you in the next one.
But you have to do what you have to know. Ooh, a closed mouth don't get fed over here, over here. But you have to do what you have to know.